One of the greatest things I've done for myself and for my hair is incorporating herbs and natural treatments into my hair care journey. Ever since I started incorporating Ayurvedic herbs into my hair care journey, I have seen amazing results ranging from the texture of my hair, the feeling, the volume, and everything about my hair. So in this video, I'll be showing you one of those things that I do to strengthen my relaxed hair. So sit back and learn. Don't forget to also subscribe if you have not done so, like this video and share. If you are just coming across my video for the first time, I really appreciate your clicking in. Thank you so much. For my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you. So in this particular video, I'll be using rosemary. Yeah, this is how it looks like. And rosemary is very good when it comes to hair growth, hair care, and everything that concerns hair. It has many benefits to the hair when it comes to hair care, which I'll be listing here. And also I have cloves. This is how cloves looks like. And it's one of those ingredients you may need to incorporate into your hair care journey, especially when you want your hair to look healthy and all lively. Rosemary helps to promote hair growth. It makes hair healthier and stronger from the roots. It boosts blood circulation in the scalp. It helps the hair follicles. It helps control hair loss, to curtail breakage, and also it relieves scalp irritations and itching. It also helps to get rid of dandruff. If you are suffering from dandruff, this might be a cool option for you. It will help you get rid of dandruff. When it comes to cloves, cloves have similar work to that of rosemary. Cloves also helps to increase hair growth, improve scalp health. It also treats itching and dandruff. It also improves hair strength, like it strengthens hair from the root. And one of the amazing benefits I love about cloves to the hair is that it helps to prevent premature graying of the hair or early graying of the hair. As you can see from the video, I just picked my rosemary and also my cloves. You just have to take the quantity that you can use. You can use it at a time, or maybe you can keep the tea and use it other days, okay? But you are not going to keep it for a very long time. So after putting it into my jar or a bottle, you are going to pour in your hot water into it to sit for some time. Then I just slightly covered it and allowed it to sit for some time, and after some hours, this is how it looks like all the ingredients, all the nutrients has been infused into the hot water. Now the water is no longer hot, it's no longer warm, rather is now very okay, it's now lukewarm. What I'm doing here is that I'm trying to separate the rosemary and the cloves from the water and transferring the water into my spray bottle. You can reuse this, you can dry and reuse it, but for me, I discarded mine. Please take a moment to like this video. Thank you. Yeah, what you just saw is lavender essential oil. I love the fragrance. I love to have few drops into my tea. It has this relaxative effect that it gives, and I just love everything about the fragrance. I love it. So all I did is that I dropped few drops into my tea and shook it very well to mix very well. Then after that, I proceeded to applying it into my hair. If you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that you get notified anytime I drop a new video. In this channel, we do skincare, we talk about skincare, we do reviews, and we also I also carry you along on my hair care journey, on my relaxed hair care journey. Okay, so if those are the things that you love to see, feel free to subscribe and turn on your bell notification. Don't forget to share the video, okay? Don't forget to also give it a like the video so that others will also get to see this particular video and probably become a family of this channel. Thank you so much. So you can see how I am patting and spraying and massaging it into my scalp. Don't mind my front hair. I don't really have hair follicles in my front hair, and I had a particular hairstyle that really chopped up my front hair, the little one I had. Maybe I will make a video about that. This was me just trying to concentrate on that front area, to massage it into the down. I made sure that I got every part of my scalp, every part of the hair strands, like the down, the root of the hair. I made sure I opened both the back, the center, the front, and every part of my scalp, and spread the tea into it and massaged it very well. I made sure I massaged it. I gave it thorough massaging, okay, so that the nutrients, the liquid, we have to penetrate into the hair. I made sure I massaged it very well. That's one of the important thing you should do to your hair. You see that massaging, it helps the blood flow well, it helps blood circulation, and in turn it will help your hair to grow and be healthy. See me getting tired of massaging, like resting, and my hand was aching, honestly. So this was it. I kept massaging and massaging even after applying all the whole thing. At this point my hair was so wet. If you have been struggling with hair growth or the healthiness of your hair, maybe you should try this particular tea on your hair. It might help. It might be of help, okay? Just try it. With this, trust me, you will have a healthy, relaxed hair if you are the type that relaxes your hair like me. If you have watched to this extent, you are my real G. I really appreciate you. Thank you so, so much. Please don't forget to like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, and also don't forget to stay safe out there, and see you in my next video. Bye.